At Cube we believe that practical, durable bikes should also be fun. The Travel Pro takes all the functionality, comfort and practicality of our Travel series and adds an 8-speed hub gear and practical low-maintenance belt drive for the ultimate in hassle-free cycling. No more oily chain, no more fiddly gear adjustment, no more worries. You can just enjoy the ride, and who wouldn't want that? The 29er inspired frame is built from light, strong and durable double-butted tubing, using our smooth welding technology at the seat and head tube junctions for a tidy, organic appearance. The semi-integrated luggage carrier complements the frame's sleek looks and provides strong, stable support for whatever load you want to bring along with you. Taking our cue from our hardtail mountain bikes, we included plenty of clearance for extra wide tires, so you've got more grip, comfort and control, even on rough roads.